Jrodan as well. Van Gaal, the teenager, brings out the best in Amir Shafi. Abdul Rahman can't go direct, needs a touch, and the shot! Oh, Abdul Rahman! A superb strike!
Another chance. It's not often that you see a high boot against a player in that situation. That's how you turn an indirect free kick into a direct free kick.
Man. Whips in a nice ball, Vietnam equalise! It's Kwong Phuong!
And Kwong Phuong read the eyeballs of his teammate, positioned himself beautifully, and volleys the ball home. A quite superb goal from Vietnam.
Down, was that a high boot? It's play on for Quang Hai. What a ball slip through. Vietnam not quite going to get there. It's scrambled clear by Anas Bani Yassin. Time right now for Vital Balkamans. No stranger to tournament football with what he did with Belgium, both as a player and an assistant coach. Now Vietnam, that was travelling right at Amir Shafi. Knock high. How cool was that this time? Abdul Rahman, emphatic, right down the middle. Slow, deliberate build-up, and he puts it in. Safe, back off the bar. One prong, well, Amir Shafi was down. Ahmed Salah, and the keeper is converted. It's saved. Van Lam on the move. They're still. Tien Dung is a hero. Vietnam win a knockout game at the Asian Cup for the first time. They're into the quarterfinals. They break Jordanian hearts. But what a moment for Vietnam. They scraped in to the knockout stage by the barest of margins. And now they're in the last 8. Can you believe it?